Now that we've looked at the dashboard, let's go into more detail about the menu on the left and especially the profile settings for your profile. First of all, you can access your profile from a few places on the menu from here, and you can switch your role from this button. As you can see, here is your username and profile picture. So you can fold the menu, you can extend it, and to access your profile you need to go here on this icon setting, and you have the administrator profile settings. You can fill up your name and surname as well as the country and set up a profile picture. Then you save the changes. Now you can have a look at the settings bar on the right, where you have the user data, which is a more detailed version of your profile settings, and depending on the way of integration to the system, it could vary between the different variants as well as login types, because there could be integrations with directories, or you can have Facebook and Google logins depending on your structure and system. So these fields could vary, but usually you would have to fill in a name, a surname, and by choice a middle name. You would also have to fill in an ID and set up a password or generate a new one. As you can see, you can turn on the visibility or set up a manual password that you would prefer. Also, you can choose to send in the login info to users and their status is active or non-active. Below, you have the organizational structure that the profile will belong to, and you can set up the different menus to the different branches and departments of the company or structure that you are using. Under that, we have the direct supervisor field, where you see the person who is in charge or is supervising the profile, and you can set manually different person and save it. If you need, you can add additional fields to your structure depending on your needs and requirements, and you can edit them or delete them as well. You can choose the profile settings in depth depending on your needs. And after that, if by need, you would have to also fill them up in different language versions, but let's stick to the English one here, and then you click Save. Now, going back to your user profile, and to the user information that you can review, here you can see everything about your profile in all in one place, as well as the active courses, the past courses, and the gained competencies. If you need to return to your editing settings, just click on the cogwheel here and you can edit anything on your profile.